Hello everyone, I'm Roman, the product owner for hsbDesign on AutoCAD. Today I'm thrilled to announce hsbDesign 27, a release packed with advanced tools and features to streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. Let's dive into some highlights. One of the most exciting features in this release is the HSB AI Body Analyzer, a powerful first-of-its-kind AI tool integrated within the IFC Import Manager. This functionality automates the detection of tools like DOF, tenon, drill, cone, and X-Fix, ensuring highly accurate imports. The AI uses confidence-based automatic acceptance, and for added control, you can make precision manual input. The HSB AI Body Analyzer simplifies tool detection and integration, saving you a significant time while boosting accuracy. Our new 3D stacking and truck loading functionality is another game changer. With 3 dedicated tools, StackItem, StackPack, and StackEntity, these features integrate seamlessly into your AutoCAD workflows to optimize material handling. The StackItems helps create stacking items from different objects, supporting pre-filtering and sorting for better organization. The StackPack allows you to group items into cohesive packs with real-time updates directly into your model. Finally, the StackEntity lets you load packs and items onto trucks, enabling efficient transport-ready stacking and export management while supporting shop drawings. From design to assembly, this process ensures accuracy, speed, and efficiency every step of the way. But there is even more to explore in hsbDesign 27 for AutoCAD, like the improved check construction command. Perform clash detections with architectural windows, doors, and mass elements to ensure error-free designs. Or we have added a fastener database, a preloaded database featuring manufacturers like Simpson Strong-Tie and Wirt, with the options to upload your own fastener libraries or manually input fastener details. We have also added new tools like rabbets and dados to advance detailing, or we have improved dimensioning options, including the new dimension offset mode in Paperspace. These features make an hsbDesign 27 the most robust and versatile version yet. hsbDesign 27 for AutoCAD is designed to transform your design workflows from AI-powered tool detection to seamless stacking and truck loading management. Try it out today for the first time, or if you are an already existing customer, upgrade your version to enjoy these powerful new features. Thank you for choosing hsbDesign for AutoCAD. We can't wait to see what you'll create with the release. Happy designing!